Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll walk you step by step through how to cancel Google Workspace domain alias. It might sound complicated at first, but once you know where to click, the process is actually very straightforward. Let's get started. First, head over to Google Workspace and sign in using an account with administrative privileges. Only admins can manage or remove domains, so make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're inside, you'll land on the Admin Console dashboard. This is your central control panel where you manage users, settings, and domains. From the dashboard, click on Account. Inside that section, select Domains. This is where all your domain management tools are located. Next, click on Manage Domains. Here, you'll see a list of all domains connected to your Google Workspace account, including your primary and any secondary domains. Now, it's important to understand one key rule. You cannot remove your primary domain directly. If you want to remove a primary domain, you must first add another domain, set the new one as primary, and then remove the old one. Also, if you're in the trial period, you may not be allowed to change or remove the primary domain at all. In that case, you would need to cancel your Workspace subscription if you no longer need it. If you're removing a secondary domain, simply locate it in the list and click Remove next to that domain. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Review the details carefully to make sure you're removing the correct domain. Then click Remove Domain to confirm. Once confirmed, the domain will be removed from your Google Workspace account. And that's it. You've successfully removed a domain from Google Workspace. Just be sure the domain is no longer in use within your organization before removing it to avoid service disruptions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides. Thanks for watching.